2026-27 అకాడమిక్ ఇయర్ కి అడ్మిషన్స్ ని ఆహ్వానిస్తుంది పల్లవి ఇంజనీరింగ్ కాలేజ్. నాక్ ఏ గ్రేడ్ గుర్తింపు, అత్యాధునిక మౌలిక సదుపాయాలు, 91% పైగా ప్లేస్మెంట్ సక్సెస్ రేట్ తో టాప్ MLC కంపెనీలో ఉద్యోగ అవకాశం. అడ్మిషన్ల కోసం 9247528134 9247528135 నంబర్స్ ని ఈ రోజే సంప్రదించండి.
సార్ చెప్పండి, ఇప్పుడు మన వేరే డిగ్నిటరీస్ చెప్పినట్టు పీస్ అనేది చాలా ఎక్స్పెన్సివ్ అయిపోయింది. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరు కొనేలేని అంత ప్రశాంతత లేకుండా ఉంటున్నారు. సో మీరు ఏం చెప్తారు యూత్ కానీ సీనియర్ సిటిజన్స్ కానీ ఎవరికైనా పీస్ అనేది మన లోపల మనకంతలో మనకి రావాలంటే ఎలాంటి డిసిప్లిన్ అనేది పర్ఫామ్ చేయాలి?
Whole world is now restless. All mankind is restless, and in a small way, DPS Nacharam started the Globe Peace movement, and with this movement, we want to reach out to the maximum number of schools, students, and all DPS schools and Pallavi schools. We are performing, and that starch has started from here, and it will go to all the schools and all the colleges, and slowly it will go to rest of the schools. This main objective of this movement is all the students community, about 1 lakh cards with message to the Prime Minister the students are sending, so that this peace awareness program today, Ramchandra Rao, our Honorable President for BJP State, he came, and Mr. Mittal, Special Chief Secretary Energy, he came, Raghunandha Rao MP, and Konda Visheshwar Reddy, and from Brahma Kumaris, Madam has come there, and Monk Buddha in charge also Telangana came, and they spoke, and they gave the message to the students, we should be peaceful, and in this movement, each family has to be peaceful, and village level, everybody, district level, state, entire country, and ultimately entire nation has to be peaceful. When they are peaceful, then we will have the growth and peace, and after the recent war situations in different countries, and everybody is peaceless, and so many people died, so many families are affected, and with this peace process, if everybody follows the peace, entire world at the larger, and India at the India level, we should have our heritage, old culture, and we should maintain the peace. And when peace is there, everybody will be happy, and all families are happy, and they can prosperous, they can grow, and they can have a peaceful life, and then only the country development will happen. Now India in 2047, we wanted to be Viksit Bharat, world number 1, and now we are at Honorable Prime Minister. When he is taken as the Prime Minister, we are at 11th position in the world economy wise. Now we are at 4th after America, China, Germany. India is 4th. Now next 1 or 2 years we are going to be number 3 after America and China. In that direction, we want to grow. India want to be number 1, means first all citizens, students, everybody has to be peaceful, and all the states has to grow, and then only that mission is possible. That is possible when in 2047 we want to be number 1, means all our students, all our parents, entire citizen of this country should have the peace and growth. Then only we will reach number 1, and entire world also expecting our Honorable Prime Minister should take up the lead and have a peace in the world. In that direction, all our students and all student companies, about 1 lakh postcard messages sent to the Prime Minister's office to highlight about this peace award, and we are happy to announce that DPS Nacharam got the award under Guinness Book of Records, Asia Records, and for that we Asian Guinness Record officials came and they announced, and that is one. But we want whole world should be peace, India should be peace, and our Telangana and all our student community, everybody should think positively and have a peaceful life. and peace growth will possible only everybody at peace. Thank you.